All right. Hey, everybody. I want to share with you this website as a resource for us to access online books. It's called openlibrary.org. It's a really great resource, and you'll be able to find a lot of different books here, and hopefully you'll like what you're finding. First of all, before you can actually use the website, you do need to sign up. So click sign up and fill out this information. Make sure that you're reading their rules for your screen name, only letters and numbers. And after you finish clicking sign up, it will probably send you an email to verify that that's the correct email address. So have your email open, and then when it shoots you an email, open that email and click the link, and then you can come back and access all these resources. So I already have an account, and I want to show you how you can search for books and how you can browse different books and find maybe a book that might interest you. So I'm going to look for a book that I really like, and I think a lot of you would like it too. It's called Ready Player One. It's a sci-fi book. It's really good though. Okay, so there's a few different ways you can search for a book. Like I just did, you can type in the title right here, and it might have a different, make sure that you click on the one by the right author in case there's more than one book with the same title. So I'm going to scroll down and I see it says check availability, not in the library, not in the library. So it looks like I can't read it yet, but it says it has all these suggestions for me that are similar topic that I might like, and I can borrow them by clicking that. Okay, another way that you can search for different books is by clicking browse, and I'm going to click on this K through 12 student library. You have to be a little patient with this website. They have so much, but it sometimes takes a little bit for the screen to load. Okay, so now that I'm at the student library, I'm going to look at the reading level by 8th grade. So I'm going to click on 8th grade here. And then I see all these kind of books that pop up first. If you like classic novels, if you like older books, that's awesome. There's a lot right on this front page. They're not really my favorite, but some of them seem cool. That one seems cool. Let me show you another way. So once you're here and you think like, okay, these are too old for me, what I suggest doing is coming over here and maybe clicking a book that's a little bit newer. So we have different years it was published. These books are published a long time ago. That doesn't mean they're still good books, but I'd rather read something a little bit newer. So I'm gonna click 2006. And now all these books were published in 2006. So you can see that some of them say check availability, and then some of them say borrow. So if it says check availability, you can't access it just right now. But if it says borrow, you can. So scroll until you see one that looks interesting to you. I'm going to click on this one because it kind of looks interesting. I might ask you to log in again. Again, this website is a little older. All right, I already clicked on this book actually, but at the top, if you first click a book, by clicking borrow, up here it might say return, and it would give you only an hour with the book. Or you have another button option right here that will say rent book for 14 days. So you have 14 days or 2 weeks to read the book. So I clicked on that already. That's why it doesn't say it now. But if you see those two buttons, after you read maybe your first few pages and you decide you like the book, then make sure you click that rent for 14 days. So now you can just read the book here, see if you like it. I really like this just off the front page, the first few sentences. It seems really interesting, so I'm going to keep reading this book. If you think it's not for you, you can go back. Okay, go back again. All right, and you can keep looking at different books. Again, if it says borrow, then you can borrow it and you'll be able to read it. So that button I was telling you about, it might pop up now because I haven't clicked on this book before. I can return it now if I don't want to read it, or I can borrow for 14 days. So before I borrow it all the way, I'm just going to read the first few paragraphs and see if I like it. Probably give the book a little bit more of a chance. I would say read at least 10 pages before you decide you don't want to read it. And if you like it, click borrow for 14 days and it's going to do this. It's just going to take a second to load. All right, so that's one of our options for online reading books, openlibrary.org. Really great website. I hope you can find something you like here.